So here's the app called ALLO Mindful Money Tracker. So then you can just tap get to install it, and then you can just do like double click to install it. Align your money and values the mindful money practice. Introducing ALLO is not like the other money apps. We offer a refreshing approach that doesn't box you into a rigid system or burden you with an sustainable budget. We believe in cultivating a mindful money practices instills lasting mindsets and habits, allowing you to approach your earnings, spending, savings, investing, and giving with a sense of fulfillment. At ALLO, we begin with your why, what truly matters to you, and how you want to use your money. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then this is just like a new app. It was just released and it was just covered in TechCrunch. I think it's a cool idea. So here you can just go and set up your account. There are a bunch of screens here where you can just get started, and then you can just continue to sign in like that. So let's see what it offers and what are the options here. There is 14-day free trial, and then yeah, so that's the idea. So this app is kind of like Headspace but for finance. So it's kind of you're trying to meditate or motivate, like yeah, something like that. But then yeah, you're just focusing also on your finances. Using money as direct expression of one's deepest sense of self is a powerful, miraculous thing in this practice. However, I'm still working on it. And then you just continue. Today, you will start by reflecting on what a satisfying, meaningful life looks like for you. North Star for your finances. The exercise is broken down into 7 areas where our finances commonly intersects with our sense of well-being: health, relationship, physical space, play, future, purpose, time. Let's begin. Then physical and mental health. Then you can just create. You just select the spaces where you live, work, and rest. Having a great physical surrounding helps you flourish. So then you can just select some of these categories. And then you just select like how well you're currently doing in this area. I'm just adding some standard values for you to see how the process looks like in this app. And then you can just and then you just finish check-in. And then yeah, that's basically, concludes the first session. And then remind you in a day, and then you can just enable notifications. And then you just have your second session, and then you just have your values, and then there is like a timeline. And then, so they're starting from the very top, but then they just want you just bring into your income, to your finances, how to deal with your finances and all of that. So it's kind of like a merge of some kind of headspace for financing and investing or something like that. Then you can also have some resources, books, podcasts, and all of that here as well. So interesting idea. Definitely give a try to this app, as they just offering this 14-day free trial. So give it a try.